we have addition of decimal numbers. How we do this? First, we have to write the numbers in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So we have first 6 decimal point 0, 7, 7, 7. Next we have 0 ones, 0, 0, 4, 9, 3, 2. Next we have 0 ones, 7, 4, 3, 1. It's very important to keep the same columns. And next we have 5 decimal point 0, 0, 0, 9. We have to add these 4 numbers. Next we can add zeros in the empty spaces, because we don't change the value of our number when we add zeros at the end after decimal point and last digit. So we can add these zeros. Now how we add decimal numbers? We use the same rule like for adding whole numbers. So we have to start from the last column. 0 plus 2 plus 0, so will be 2. 0 plus 3, so will be 3. Now we have 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 1 is 17, plus 9 is 26. So we have 6 and we add 2 to next column. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 16. So we have 6 and we add 1 to next column. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So we have 2 and we add 1 to next column. Next we have 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 7 is 8. We have to keep decimal point in the same column. And next we add ones. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we have 1, 1, and we add 1 to next column, to column of tens. We don't have here any number, so it means we have zeros here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is my solution.